Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic, environmental social governance related success factors. These success factors which will contribute to effective ESG management and performance within the organization. So let us discuss those success factors which can improve the ESG management related performance in the organization. So first one we will discuss about environmental success factors, where we talk about, let's say suppose, commitment to environmental compliance, adherence to the local, national and international environmental laws and regulations. Also we take subject of resource efficiency. We can say efficient use of the resources such as energy and water to minimize the environmental impact. Also integration of renewable energy sources to reduce the carbon footprint. We effectively manage the waste through reduction, reuse and recycling initiatives. We measure to protect and enhance biodiversity in operational areas. And also we continuously put efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and air pollutants. We also conduct thorough assessments before starting new projects or activities related to the environmental impact assessments. And we implement robust EMS, environmental management system, to monitor and improvement environmental performance. And also we design certain strategies and implement those strategies, take actions which will be aiming at mitigating the effects of the climate change. Also we partner with the suppliers who are adhering to the sustainable practices. So that's the comprehensive list of environmental success factors. The next is social success factors. We take certain topics of diversity and inclusion, employee health and safety, labor practices, employee engagement. So we promote diversity in workforce and leadership and fostering an inclusive workplace culture. Inclusive workplace culture. Okay. Then we also ensure a safe and healthy work environment for all the employees. We ensure the fair and ethical treatment of the employees, including adherence to the labor laws. We program and initiatives to enhance employee satisfaction and engagement, and build positive relationship with the local communities through engagement and support. Also upholding human rights standards within operations and supply chain also, please keep in mind, and meeting customer expectations while adhering to the ethical business practices. Also we ensure product related safety and quality standards. And very important subject like social impact assessment. We assess and manage social impacts of the operations, projects and also in the supply chain also we engage the stakeholders in decision making process and address their concerns. In the governance related success factors, upholding high ethical standards and integrity in the business operations, transparent and accountable governance structure with independent oversight, board diversity and independence. We ensure the diverse board composition with the independent directors, aligning executive compensation with long-term sustainable performance. Also we focus on risk management related factors like implementing the robust risk management processes to identify and mitigate the risks. Also we ensure compliance and transparency, transparent reporting of financial and non-financial performance matrices. And also we ensure the policies and practices to prevent corruption and unethical behavior, protecting stakeholders data privacy and ensure cybersecurity measures. We respect the shareholder rights, protecting shareholders rights and their interests. Also we adhere to legal and regulatory requirements in all jurisdictions of the operations. Next is about integrated success factors like ESG integration into the strategy. ESG integration into business strategy. Okay, we embed ESG considerations into corporate strategy and decision making processes. Also we identify and prioritize ESG issues that are most significant, most relevant to the stakeholders and the business. We call them materiality topics. We conduct a materiality assessment exercise, and commitment to ongoing improvements in ESG performance through goal setting and monitoring. Also innovation and technology. We leverage innovation and technology to enhance the ESG practices and outcomes. We ensure the long-term value creation while focusing on sustainable practices that contribute to the long-term value creation for the stakeholders. We ensure strong partnerships and collaborations, fair partnerships and collaborations with the stakeholders, NGOs, and industry peers to address common ESG challenges. Also, we focus on raising awareness and educating the stakeholders about ESG issues and initiatives. Also, resilience and adaptation, building resilience and adapting to changing environment and social dynamics. And we can have one more example like strong leadership commitment and endorsement of ESG goals and initiatives. Also, we seek and maintain certifications, international certifications, and adherence to the recognized ESG standards. ESG standards. Next is stakeholders success factors. The important subject is investors relations. So transparent communication with investors on ESG performance and strategies. One more factor like supplier engagement. We engage suppliers to uphold ESG standards and practices throughout the supply chain. We focus on government and regulatory engagements. We collaborate with regulators to promote responsible ESG practices. Also community development. We invest in community development projects and initiatives also. Then next stakeholder like media and public relations. We manage media and relations and public perceptions of ESG efforts. Also educational institutions. We collaborate with educational institutions for R&D, research and development, talent development in sustainability and ESG. Next stakeholder like NGOs and civil society engagement. We engage with NGOs and civil society to address social and environmental laws. Also leading industry initiatives and setting benchmarks for ESG performance with industry leadership. And we integrate ESG factors into investment decision making processes to ensure the responsible investment practices actually. Also, we build a resilience to manage and mitigate ESG related crises effectively to ensure effective crisis management and resilience related business resilience related practices. So these success factors demonstrate the breadth and depth of the considerations necessary for organizations to excel in their ESG practices, fostering sustainability, resilience, and stakeholders' trust in long term. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic.